So this is a posting by Amy. Amy does acoustic fingerprinting, and she does it for Canadians as well. I'm about to have mine done by her as well. She wants older ones. What she's found is she's traced the frequencies within the acoustics, which is amazing. So this is a class action lawsuit for people only in the United States currently that are citizens of the United States or dual citizenship. The case is pro se and was started and created by John Flynn and already has been approved and accepted into the federal court. So this is the case number. It's in the Judicial District of Connecticut. Right there. There's the case number. Now, you can download the affidavit template because it has to follow a specific format. I believe it was Arial font 12 with 2-point spacing for the court submissions. So you can submit your Wiggle Wi-Fi database if you've done tracing in it. You can submit your hacking. You can submit medical. And I believe you can also submit your semiconductor reports that you have and or other medical reports, which we've all discussed, right? Including Audible and other items. So I'll post her link to this in the description box. They're looking for about 1,000 people to file. Many have filed already. And I don't know if there's a statute of limitations, but you can chat with her directly on her site if you're going to file. So if you're going to file, have your template partially completed, have her have a look at it, and go from there. When you are citing evidence in your affidavit, you have to itemize them as attachments and discuss them in each article that you submit in your affidavit. That much I understand. The rest from there, you guys, we got to wait in Canada for somebody to stand up. So the claimants are against directed energy weapons, video voyeurism, neural and mesh networks, stalking harassment, sex trafficking, sex exploitation, smart IOR, and appliances that are being used to attack your body with evidence of radiation. So if you have radiation burns and you've had the radiation testing, you can get mitochondrial extraction from a tooth or other testing to confirm you've had radiation exposure by professional doctors that actually do this. And my dog's not feeling very good. It's okay, Molly. All right. Links in the description box. Hopefully somebody will stand up and do this in Canada.